Hi! In this video, I will show you how to get GearUp Booster Premium or trial. So first things first, head over to gearupbooster.com and then you should be able to see this. You can see in here this try for free option and in here is the button in order to get the GearUp Booster. Click on this right there and then from in there, this should be able to download that particular file right here. So this right here allows you to actually install this application. So once it's done downloading, just head over and then double click it in order to install it. Head over and then click on it. And then once you have clicked on it, it should be able to be prompted for the installation. So once you have selected yes for the installation, you can see in here this, click on continue, and then just head over and then install it. And once it's been connected and installed, you should be able to have it on premium and trial. And if you want it on premium, you can just head over and then subscribe. So that's all there is today about getting the Gear Up Booster Premium on trial. Thank you so much for watching.